Well, welcome to Off Grid and On the Fly. Today is testing day for the e-cart. But we have it loaded the way we will, except for the water thing on the side. Because we got tight quarters we're going through today. But I guess I should put it there. But I'm not going to. And then again, I might. But anyhow, I'll bring you back when we're on the road. Alright? Yep, there's the e-bike setup with the cart, Evan on his, and we're out of here. I'm mounting this right back here. Huh? No, it don't count for nothing.
Oh, really?
Not till next month.
Oh, okay. I thought it already started.
No, September.
Oh, okay. Okay.
No biggie. So you gonna be able to watch him while we're riding, or are you planning on fucking hauling ass behind me? I mean, in front.
It's a good thing you didn't go taking off, huh? Yeah, I could have.
Tore the fucker off. Guess that wasn't held on too good, was it?
I guess not.
Not Pagan proof. I'll show you how to get through here. I guess I gotta do something more than that, huh, Pagan?
Well, yeah, man.
I don't know how we're gonna get you home without you fucking. Put a solid. It looked nice, but it didn't work.
I just don't feel like getting wet. So I really just don't feel like getting wet. Yeah, well. Dogs push out as much as you do.
Right off the bottom, didn't it?
It looks like your screws came out. They weren't in very far.
Broke off right here.
Oh, man, I didn't see that. Just trying to figure out a way to get this thing to sit.
It ain't going to.
Yeah, I'll give it a sec.
Put the screws upside. Well, put them that way. You might get hurt. Put it upside down, but. Look at that big dog. Yeah, big dog, huh?
I'm just trying to get it home, that's all.
Yeah, I know. It's going to be a pain in the ass anyhow. I think I can get him on this bar, though. I can tie him onto that bar.
Well, it'll get home.
That works out pretty good that way. Don't know if it's charging. The panel looks in rough shape, don't it?
Huh?
That panel looks in rough shape, but it's putting out. I need some water. Here, hold him, please. They're gonna pull you. So what speed were you riding no-handed?
Oh, about 20.
I don't know. I don't trust it enough yet to ride no-handed. Not with a cart, anyhow. Yeah, that string works nice. Thank you. How's this thing roll? Does it waddle? Rolls fairly nice. So that's about the weight that's going to be in there when I'm riding. The bike's going to be loaded though. I have 5 gallons of water sitting right here. So my phone is fair. Yeah, he's right there, and then they're gonna want to go in.
Yeah, I know. That's what he told that guy.
Yeah, it was 6 to take the horse in there.
I mean, that horse is black. I don't see it not wanting to go in that water. I don't blame him. That little horse right
I'm Pagan. You can wait.